Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of the earphones is not reliable. You have to start by opening the application. Now click on your headphones here and go to update. Now make sure that you have the last version. If you haven't it, install the new one and maybe it fixes your problem. The second one, if it didn't help you, put it to the charging case. Now close it and wait about 15 seconds. The battery level of the earphones and the charging case will update, so it can fix your problem. And after 15 seconds, just open it and check. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.